morning.
Beautiful dog.
Yes, Steve.
This is a happy place, isn't it?
Oh, it is, yeah. Very nice, yeah. Ooh.
Peter, don't you jump. No jumping.
Still young, eh?
Yeah, he turned a year at the end of October.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Still a puppy.
Yeah.
How about yours?
This is 10 years.
10?
Yeah, mature.
Wow. Here we go.
Huh, yeah.
Brenda has a dog, 15, and he still jumps around like a puppy.
Oh, yeah.
I think the secret is off-leash running.
Right.
Most people just walk the dogs.
Uh-huh.
They need to run.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Hey, you eating sticks again? Come on.
See you.
Hey.